Of course, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's a short video. I'm just going to show you a quick process of preparing saute. Of course, with me I have my already boiled chicken, as you all can see on the pot. So inside the pan I have the tomatoes, I have the green capsicum and onions. At this point, I added royco with some water and left it to cook for some time. And there you go, guys. You'll go ahead and add in your deep fried chicken. Trust me, when you prepare this recipe at home, you're gonna love it, and it has got nice aroma, guys, and you can tell it all from the video. And that's it, guys. It was a short video. Kindly don't forget to like this video, watch it till the end, and don't forget to subscribe.